Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how I make my detox lunch. First of all, I'll put my vegetables on boil, broccoli, cauliflower and carrots. Then I'm going to marinate my salmon using smoked paprika, black pepper, garlic granules, Cajun seasoning and some sweet and sticky marinade. So now guys, after mixing it really well, I'm gonna preheat a pan, put my beans in and put my salmon on top and add a bit of water so it doesn't stick to the bottom and cover it with the lid for 10 minutes on slow gas. And that's it, it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked my recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye.